In this video, I'll be showing you how to make the Bad Dreams Cruller donut in Pokemon Legends ZA Mega Dimensions. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, the Bad Dreams Cruller donut recipe requires filling specific flavors like sweet, sour, and spicy. So what you're gonna have to do after you get all the ingredients is go over to Hotel Z, where you're gonna find Ansha, who's gonna be on the rooftop of the building. So just go ahead and use the elevator to go over there. But basically, you're gonna need 4 different ingredients. So what you're gonna need is 3 Hyper Tango berries. You're gonna need 3 Hyper Casic berries, 1 Hyper Cav berry, and also 1 base berry as well. Just go ahead and give all of them to Ansha, and then the donut's going to be made right in front of you, and then you're going to have the donut. And yeah, it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe, and also be sure to check out all our other Pokemon Legends ZA Mega Dimension videos that we've been posting on the channel, because there is a lot to go through.